Hey guys, this is Jason. Today I'm going to show you my app, FABselector version 1.1. This app allows you to select and filter CAD-mep items based on their properties. I'm going to load it up here, and in the README file you'll see some instructions how to load it up, so I won't go into detail in that here. I have actually a command defined, and in the README it'll show you how to do that. We'll go through these tabs one by one really quickly. The first one is the Select tab. It allows you to select existing items and load their properties into the combo boxes so you can filter for them pretty quick. When the check box here is checked, it means that filter is active, and as an example, we'll look for all items with alias equal v1.1, and I have or alias equal v1.6, and we're going to set those to auto isolate. And you can play with these controls around a little bit, and it's pretty easy to pick up what they do. And you can see that really quick it selected all items that match my filter. We'll do one more here. We're going to look for all items with a file name, and I've got several different elbows here, so we're going to say all items that match, and I can type in stuff here. I don't have to just select it, and you can use wildcards. So any items that have a file name that contains these three letters together, and once again filtered them really fast. Pretty quick workflow. The next tab is the Plug and Select tab. It does kind of the same thing, but it filters for different properties. And let's do, and you're going to have to select which properties you want to load. The more you select, the slower the script runs, so just select the ones you need. We're going to look for items, item seams, and we'll load those up. And as an example here, we're going to filter for all items that have seam 1 equal small pits right here. And we've got to plug this into an item field. Make sure you plug it into something that you're not storing data in. I don't use the item palette often. You'll get the warning here. So anything that you select here, it will be overwritten. So make sure you don't have anything that you need there. So we're going to select items, and it's going to grab all items that match my filter criteria, and I'll isolate those just to show what it did there. So pretty cool, pretty quick. The last tab we'll talk about is the Script tab. This is new to version 1.1. It allows you to run your scripts from this tab simply by double-clicking them. Just double-click your script here, select your items, and it'll run it. It's a little bit quicker, I think, than setting up tool buttons or toolbar buttons or browsing for your script files. What you'll have to do on your first load is define where it's going to pull your scripts from, and you just hit that button, and just like any other folder browser, go down and select your folder, and it'll remember it the next time you load the app, and it'll load them up automatically. Another cool feature to this is the search bar. So if you're looking for a script that you know contains some letters in the file name, just start inputting them there, and you'll receive the matches here. And just double click them again to run the script. Another cool thing about this tab is it actually has a text editor, and to activate that, just select the text you want to look at, and then right click it, and it'll open a text editor here where you can make changes if you want, and then you can save them. So we'll make a save here, and I'll just put a remark in here just as an example. Save it, and from here you can run it, and it'll run the modified script. And you see I made a mistake in my modification there because I just typed some junk in. So I'm going to undo that, and then I'll save it back. But you get the idea. If you want to, if you don't want to edit it in this editor, you can actually just hit this link right here, and it'll close that screen and open it up in your default text editor. So another cool little feature there. And then last is the About tab. It's got some information about me, how you can contact me with any questions or comments. And also, if you'd like to donate to further the development of this app, you're more than welcome to. That's it for today. Thank you guys for your attention, and I hope you get a lot of use out of this, and it saves you time and helps out your workflow. Thanks again.